Hi everyone, today's weekend Shojin cuisine is vegan mirin cookies. Please use Hon Mirin for this cookie. Please don't use a Mirin-style product on the market because it will not make. If you don't have mirin, you can make it delicious with maple syrup instead. Let's make it together. Ingredients. First, make mirin without alcohol. Put 100 g of mirin in a pan and heat it. Be careful as flames will rise from the surface. You can't see flames, but it's hot around here, so be careful. When the flame goes out, it's a signal that alcohol has run off. Let it go. Second, put flour in a bowl and mix. Start preheating the oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Third, in another bowl, add Shio Koji, rapeseed oil, and mirin without alcohol and mix well. Fourth, combine all the ingredients and mix by cutting with a rubber spatula until the powder is gone. Fifth, after putting the dough together, spread it on the cooking paper. Sixth, hold the paper and roll a roll pin over the paper to spread the dough evenly. By doing this, the dough of the same thickness can be produced from the second time onward. Seventh, with a cooking mold, pull out to a thickness of 2 to 3 millimeters. Eighth, spread the remaining dough in the same way and remove it with a mold. Ninth, place a seat on the oven plate and line up the cookies. Tenth, if there is still mirin without alcohol, apply it to the surface with a brush to make cookies shiny. 11th, bake in an oven at 160 degrees Celsius. It's done. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and Shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。